Welcome to Learning English with Captain Binoy Vanagal, Assistant Professor, Department of English, St. Joseph's College, Devgiri, Kozhikode. We continue our discussion of the play August Osage County by the American playwright Tracy Letts. In the previous lecture, we had a discussion of the biographical details, the historical significance of the play, and the success of the play August Osage County. And in this lecture, we are discussing the characters of the play August Osage County. As we know, this is a play about the disintegration of a family, and the play is just blessed with some 10 plus characters. Let us look at the important characters right now. The first character is Mr. Beverly Weston. Beverly Weston is the father of the Weston family. He is 69 years old, is an alcoholic and a poet. His mysterious disappearance one evening and eventually discovered death are the reasons for the family's reunion. The play is about the reunion of the Weston family. The reason for his implied suicide are a major plot point that brings some of the family's dark past painfully back into the light. So, the first important character is Beverly Weston. Second important character is Violet Weston. Violet Weston is mother of the Weston family. She is 65 years. She is undergoing treatment for oral cancer. She is addicted to several prescription drugs, mostly depressants and narcotics. After an ugly run at Beverly's funeral dinner, the family's focus shifts to keeping Violet Weston clean. Despite her drug-induced episodes, she is sharp-tongued and shrewd. She is aware of the family's many secrets and not hesitant to reveal them for her own benefit. Now we look at the third important character in the play August Osage County. The character is Barbara Fordham. Barbara Fordham is the oldest daughter of the Weston family. She is 46 years, mother of the young 14-year-old girl Jean, and wife of Professor Bill. She is at the moment separated from her husband, Bill. She is a college professor in Boulder, Colorado. She wants to save her family. She wants to save her marriage, but has the intense need to control everything around her as it falls apart. The fourth character is Bill Fordham. Bill Fordham is Barbara's estranged husband and Jean's father. He is 49 years old. He is a college professor. He has left his wife for a younger woman named Cindy. Cindy is one of his students, but he wants to be there for his family. That's why he joins Barbara for the funeral of Mr. Beverly Weston. His marriage is disintegrating and his patience is slowly running thin. The next important character is Jean Fordham. Bill and Barbara's smart-tongued 14 years old daughter here is Jean Fordham. She smokes pot and cigarettes, is a vegetarian. She loves old movies and is bitter about her parents' separation. She has a sexual encounter with her future Uncle Steve and reacts violently to Joanna coming to rescue her when she is about to be molested by her future uncle Steve. The next important character in the play August Osage County is Ivy Weston. Ivy Weston is the middle daughter of the Weston family. She is age 44, the only daughter to stay in Oklahoma where the family house is. She works in a local library and her calm and patient exterior hides a passionate woman who is gradually growing cynical. She is secretly having an affair with her cousin Little Charles and plans to move to New York with him. The seventh character is Karen Weston. The youngest daughter of the Weston family is Karen Weston, and she is 40 years old. She is newly engaged to Steve, whom she considers the perfect man, and she lives with him in Florida. They are planning to marry soon. Karen can talk of little else but her own happiness even at her father's funeral. She is clearly choosing to lie to herself about her sleazy fiancé rather than face the reality of not getting a happy ending. Now we come to the next important character, that is Steve Heidelberg. Steve Heidelberg is Karen's fiancé. He is aged 50. He is a businessman in Florida whose business, it is hinted, center around the Middle East and maybe less than legitimate. He is not the perfect man that Karen considers him. He is inappropriately sexual with Jean throughout the play and supplies her with marijuana and sexually assaults Jean. The next important character is Mattie Faye Aiken. Mattie Faye Aiken is Violet's sister, Charles' wife, and little Charles' mother. She is 57 years old. Just as jaded as her sister, Mattie Faye constantly belittles her son, little Charlie, and antagonizes her husband, Charles. Eventually, she reveals the major plot point that Beverly, not Charlie, is the real father of little Charles. Now we have the 10th character, Charlie Aiken. Charlie Aiken is husband of Mattie Faye and the presumed father of little Charles. A gentleman was lifelong friend of Beverly Weston. He struggles to get Mattie Faye to respect their son, little Charles. Next character is little Charles Aiken. Little Charles Aiken is son of Mattie Faye and Beverly. 37 years old, but like everyone else, he believes Charlie is his father. Unemployed and clumsy, his mother calls him a screw-up, which may be a self-fulfilling prophecy. He is secretly having an affair with Ivy, who is revealed to actually be his half-sister. The next important character is Joanna Monewata. Joanna Monewata is a Cheyenne Indian woman. She is 26 years and Beverly Weston is hiring her as a live-in housekeeper shortly before his disappearance. Violet is prejudiced against Joanna Monewata, but she wins over the other family members with her cooking skills hard work, and empathy. Jonah is a silent witness to much of the mayhem in the family. Now we have the last important character in the play, Osage County, that is Sheriff Dion Gilboa. Sheriff Dion Gilboa is a high school classmate and former boyfriend of Barbara. He is 47 years. He brings the news of Beverly Weston's suicide to the family. Now, in the next lecture, we will look at the plot of the play August Osage County by Tracy Letts. Thank you for listening.